What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and today I am so bleeping excited for this bowling ball review, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is the Motiv Supra Clutch. Before we get into the one detail of why I am so excited for this ball, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to order my 500 grit chamois, use the link down below in the description. I'm wearing my Motiv gummy bear jersey, efx.co, promo code Napoles 10. That'll get you 10% off your entire order. Okay, why? Why am I excited for the Supra Clutch? The core. It is the original quad fire core. They changed the core, they went to this one. It makes the RG a little bit lower, differential a little bit higher, and I love the quad fire core. It was in the QZ line back in the day, it was in the Thrash back in the day, it was in a lot of balls that I really loved from back in the day. So let's talk about the core first since we're already there. So the quad fire core in 15 pounds has an RG of 2.55 and a max differential of 0.043. So automatically that tells me that the core in this ball wants to be a little bit cleaner through the fronts, right? So because of that, probably a little bit more responsive. So what you pair with a core like this is very important. And the cover that they went to wrap around the quad fire core is the Propulsion XRT hybrid cover stock that comes out of box at a 5500 grit laser scan polish. So it's the same base formula as the Evoque Hysteria. I imagine that just a little bit weaker of a base formula, but that's a good thing. So I'm thinking that this ball is going to be pretty clean through the fronts. It's going to be pretty poppy down lane. And you guys know I've been struggling to find layouts for symmetric balls, but I think I finally found one. And so with the layout, we went with 5 1/4 by 4 by 3 3/4. Same layout that I've been using on my asymmetric stuff, just trying it out on my symmetric stuff, and I seem to really like it. I'm excited for this ball. I haven't loved a lot of the Supras, but because of this core and cover combo, really excited about it. Let me know down below in the comments, are you excited for the Supra Clutch? Why not? We're gonna be here on lane 1 on a moderately transitioned house shot. All right, so this is gonna be the very first shot here coming up with the Supra Clutch. It's never gone down the lane. We're gonna just try and figure it out right from the press and see what kind of move we need to make. I did film another ball review on this lane, so I am warmed up. We're gonna take a guess here, and then we'll make an adjustment off these first couple shots. You know, it wasn't my best shot off my hand, but I think I'm definitely in the right part of the lane. It was clean, it was pretty quick. I like the swirl of the colors. And look, it's a quad fire core ball with a cover stock formula that I really like. This has to be good. No chance, or no choice rather. See it. Oh yeah, Adam Yoshi, if you're watching, get this ball, because I know you like the quad fire core also. Yeah, this ball's good. We're 2 shots in. This ball's good. You know, I feel pretty comfortable saying that Motiv is now 6 for 6 in 2025. 6 releases, 6 good balls. I think they're on an unbelievable run right now. Haven't moved, 2 shots in. I think I'm definitely in the right part of the lane. Oh, I missed that at the bottom. Yeah, no. I missed that at the bottom. Right off my hand. Missed it at the bottom. What I want to see now is, as I put more shots on this ball, more games, more oil on the cover, is it going to continue to roll like this? You know, Motiv, I think, has been really good lately about cover stock longevity. And so I just want to see if this is going to continue in that trend. Nothing would tell me that no, like everything would just tell me yes, just because of the last few releases have been Just absolute bangers. So let's not miss this at the bottom. We'll make a good shot here. Yeah, good shot. Got all of it at the bottom, went through the pins. From a usability standpoint, I don't think I'll throw this on the fresh with the out-of-box finish. I think that if I was gonna try to throw this on the fresh, I would definitely crack the shell. If I was gonna throw it with the out-of-box finish, it would be something like this in a little bit of transition. I don't know that it would be on the fresh. Might be too clean, and then make it too responsive. But something like this, you know, moderately transitioned house shot, that first go-to ball, I think something like this can really come into play rather. Missed in a little bit. Oh, wow. I thought that was gonna hook. I'm definitely gonna compare this to the Primal Rage Evolution, just because like higher RG, you know, cleaner response balls. But let me know if there's something else that you want to see me compare this to. And then, you know, I'll go from there. I don't know that I'll compare this to the Evoke Hysteria just because that's an ASIM. I don't know if this is going to be as good as the Evoke Hysteria for me. But this is a good motion. I like, my eyes like what they're seeing here. Oh, I got that way right. Yeah, no chance. If that would have struck, I don't know what I would have done if that would have struck. But that was a terrible shot. That was way right off my hand. So shots like that, they don't really do anything for the ball review. But I know you guys like the one take, so we're gonna continue them. All right. Just don't miss a million, right? I think if we just don't do that, we're gonna be in good shape here. Oh! Dang, one or the other, right? I had to be both? Wow. I thought that was a good shot. Little blower 710. You know, you got to take it. No biggie. No biggie at all. I've been working on staying taller and increasing that ball speed. Let me know if you guys are noticing a difference at all, please. Bang! Except I did not post a shot. Really want to be posting more shots. Ball's good too.
Looks so quicker than the other Supras.
Yeah. My buddy Chris says it looks a little quicker than the other Supras. I agree. I don't know, like it looks quick, but it also looks pretty smooth. It's weird. Maybe it's the colors. Because I don't think it's overly quick. And it reads the middle pretty good. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Yeah. The last time I missed in, it held. This time, you could tell the lanes are starting to break down because I missed in, did not hold at all. Let me see how much time we got here. Yeah, I'll throw a few more shots. And then we'll wrap this up. Let me tighten my shoes here. All right. We'll make a move also. We're gonna move in a little bit. Just to do a little test. We'll go 3 and 1 left. Small move. Nothing too big here. Maybe too big of a move. But I also didn't throw it that good. Huh? Oh, thanks. So I'm gonna go to that same spot and really feel like I threw a good shot, and then go from there. But I like these colors, black, yellow, and red. So same spot, and just really make sure I get a handful. So I definitely missed in again. You know, you would think that being a two-hander, it would just be easy to create angle. It's not. So the last two shots have done nothing except waste time. I really want to get a good one to see. All right, so let's make sure that we get this one going right and we hit it at the bottom, like we don't miss. And then see what this looks like from a little bit further left here. There we go. I think that if I wanted to move left like that, I think that I can slow down, and I think I'll do that. I'll tempo down one shot here, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, last shot of the video here. Same spot. We're just gonna move up on the approach a little bit and tempo down, just to see if I can get it to be a little bit more flush. Or not. Maybe that's just a little bit too far left. But all in all, I think that this Supra Clutch is really good. I feel comfortable saying Motiv now is 6 for 6. It might be 7 if you include the EJ Jackal. But yeah, it's just been banger after banger, so kudos to you, Motiv.